Well, it's been a wild ride and an amazing week. And I was going to make another video on spatial and talk about spatial. However, it is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everyone. You'll probably see this video on Sunday or listen to it on Sunday. But I had to record it because I was thinking about something. And what I was thinking about was that on Thursday of last week, so on November 16th, which was Thursday, Sam Altman was the CEO of OpenAI. And on Thursday, today, November 23rd, Sam Altman is the CEO of OpenAI. So it's so strange. You think about it, all of these things that happen in 1 week, and now we wind up in the same place. And I think many of us were wondering, what is the outcome going to be? When he was fired, they had an interim CEO, then they hired another CEO, then they brought him back as CEO. And I can't describe it. I had to talk about it, had to mention it. And the one thing that keeps going through my mind is that he's still CEO. So a week later, a wild roller coaster ride. One thing I did want to touch on, which I thought was interesting as well, is that when you talk about Microsoft, and I was looking at the Microsoft stock price, the stock price from the 17th. So if you remember, the 17th was Friday. Okay, we had a dip. And then you look at it as of yesterday. I mean, it's back at, $378. So if you think about it, from the 16th to, let's see, from the 16th up until the November 22nd till Wednesday, it's gone up $2 and some change. So there hasn't been a really huge shift in the price. So it's showing that it was up $6.73 over the last 5 days. But if you look at that high on the 16th, so its highest price on the 16th at 10 a.m. to one of its highest prices on 22nd, it is really back to business. So I guess the big question I have and the big speculation is, what happened? Why? And will this impact things moving forward? So there's a lot of conjecture, talk, chatter about how things are going to go moving forward. How does this impact the company? I'm not an expert on organizational structure. However, Sam Altman is CEO again, and the company is still going. The employees didn't leave. Does this push things forward faster? Is there going to be even more momentum? I don't know. But at the end of the day, you got the same CEO who's at the helm. So I'm interested to find out what you think about it, what your thoughts are, or even if you even care about what happened. But I got to tell you, it's been a tumultuous few days for me. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave some comments. Let me know what you think.